Have you ever wondered how people are making millions with just digital coins? Or why everyone is talking about crypto, Bitcoin, and blockchain? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll explain everything in the simplest way possible. No technical jargon, just plain English. Welcome back to Invest Vision Hub. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics in the financial world: crypto. So, what exactly is crypto? In simple words, crypto, short for cryptocurrency, is a kind of money that only exists online. Unlike the cash in your wallet, crypto is completely digital. You can't touch it, but you can use it to buy things, send money, or even invest and grow your wealth. Now, the first big question: how does it work? Crypto works on something called blockchain technology. Imagine a giant digital notebook that everyone can see, but no one can erase or cheat. Every transaction you make is recorded in this notebook, making it safe, transparent, and almost impossible to hack. The most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. It was created in 2009 and has gone from being worth just a few cents to tens of thousands of dollars per coin. And Bitcoin was just the beginning. Now we have Ethereum, Solana, Ripple, and thousands of other coins. But here's the important part. Crypto isn't just about investing. It's also changing how we think about money. For example, you can send money across the world in minutes, without banks. Smart contracts on Ethereum allow deals to happen automatically without middlemen. Some countries are even experimenting with using crypto for everyday payments. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: fast and cheap transactions compared to banks. High growth potential for investors. Gives people financial freedom, especially in countries with unstable money. Cons: prices can be extremely volatile. They go up and down fast. Scams and fake projects are common. Not all governments support or regulate it yet. So, should you invest in crypto? The answer is, only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto is powerful and can make you money, but it's also risky. The smartest move is to learn, start small, and never rush in just because of hype. Crypto is more than just digital money. It's a new financial revolution. Whether you choose to invest or not, it's important to understand it, because crypto might play a big role in the future of money.